morning. We were gonna take a walk, but the rain has already started, unfortunately. So maybe we'll get umbrellas. Oh my gosh. His umbrella still has the tag. If you like pina colada. All right, we are heading to the store because we're going to pick up pizzas and salad makings, because I really doubt we're gonna go to an outdoor concert tonight because it's been raining all day. Yeah, it's been fun loading the groceries. This. So he was vacuuming the background. You could hear him, I'm sure. And he has a pretzel knot.
I didn't do this. It was already like...
It was
He's ruining it.
Cornelius, what do you think of this? He's like, I don't trust that pretzel cord. That's not like the pretzels I like having. Another moment. Yes, yes, I showered, and I'm not trying to do anything with my hair because it's going to be raining today. It's going to be raining tomorrow, and so this is what my hair is going to do. But
We're doing something. We're doing something.
we're using both ovens and both timers.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
It's the little things, folks. Okay, so we have had pizza and salad and fruit, and it is very good. Very, very good wine. And now we are going to watch Noises Off. Julian has never seen it, and he's auditioning for the play this week. So he needs to see the movie so that he knows roughly what he is trying for. All right, this is my final clip. I'm upstairs first because I'm tired. I fell asleep on my parents' couch watching the Jerry Seinfeld comedians in cars eating or drinking coffee or whatever. It was funny, but I'm very tired. So tomorrow we have church, and we actually have friends that are going to be coming over and visiting us, and I'm so excited. So until tomorrow.